In a cozy forest, Nibbly the squirrel tiptoes through the colorful forest, his mischievous grin hinting at a sneaky plan. Nibbly hides acorns inside a hollow tree labeled mine. His eyes dart around, spotting a glowing, golden acorn. The magical shimmer sound fills the air as Nibbly grabs the glowing acorn. A weathered wooden sign declares, "Golden acorns must be shared." Nibbly, with shifty eyes, disguises a gleaming golden acorn with mud. With a sneaky grin, Nibbly hides the disguised acorn in his tree. A rabbit, an owl, and a fox watch with narrowed eyes, exchanging suspicious glances as Nibbly says, "Golden? Nope, haven't seen it." Beneath the muddy earth, the acorn glows with an eerie light, pulsating gently. The acorn emits a blinding light and shakes violently. The narrator warns, but the golden acorn had magic and didn't like liars. The acorn explodes in a burst of light, sending chaotic rays scattering wildly. Nibbly cries out, "Yippee!" as he frantically tries to escape the erratic light.